Hello everyone, welcome. How to make local tandoori bread, large lavash breads. You can watch tandoori lavash breads made with wholemeal and white flour. Bran mixed brown whole wheat flour and white whole wheat flour are used. Special wheat flour used for making lavash. Sifted white flour is added to the dough kneading machine. There is a total of 50 kilograms of flour here, and 1,250 grams of salt is added. An average of 30 liters of cold water and a small amount of fresh yeast are added. The dough will have a smooth consistency. It is mixed in the kneading machine for about 10 minutes. Checking the consistency of the dough. This dough is a little darker and you can tell it's made with wholemeal wheat flour, so here there are two different dough types. After waiting for 15 minutes, the dough is added to this cutting and rolling machine. "180 grams of dough pieces are cut and take a round shape by following the path around the machine. Dough balls are added intermittently into plastic crates and left to ferment. After a few hours, the doughs were fermented as desired. Bran and brown wheat flour are used in the dough shaping process. This bread was made by hand, as in the photo you see at the beginning of the video. Over time, the machines made this work easier and allowed to make larger lavash breads. The dough, which is stretched and expanded a little more by turning it in the air, is placed in a pillar-like mold. Bread added to the baking machine comes out from the other side is cooked within 15 seconds. For those who are curious about the mechanism of the machine, I can show you a little inside. You can be sure that it is very hot. I believe it is a very healthy bread. The yeast rate is very low and a special flour is used. Less toasted bread is prepared according to demand. I think these will be sent to restaurants to be used in wrap production. Bread orders are ready. Sold in small packs or in larger quantities upon request. You can get less fried tandoori lavash and make pita at home by adding mince to it, or make a wrap, or I think it would be great with butter for breakfast. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.